What? There are no flights out until tomorrow night? That can't be! Look, you've got to help me. I must get to Egypt right away!
Hey, is there anything in the manual about the dino holder lighting up like this?
Does that mean you haven't read it?
I did. The whole thing.
How? You must have skipped some and gone right to the end.
No, I didn't.
I know how. Most of these pages are totally blank. What's the deal, Reese?
There's still so much about the cards and the stones that we've yet to understand. So now every time that we make a new discovery, we will then add it to your manuals.
Too much time on your hands?
Well, that's interesting. The dino holder seems to be in sync with the map.
Look, Egypt is glowing.
That's where the Spinosaurus appeared.
So that must mean this thing was telling us when a dinosaur showed up.
That's exactly right.
No way! Faux shizzle my dizzle dog!
Dad, maybe you should stop watching so many music videos, okay?
So what now? There's really nothing we can do about it from here.
Well, now this is peculiar.
What?
These lines are connecting the dino holders to the dinosaurs' locations.
Whoa!
Could it possibly be?
I found it! I found the water stone.
That's the first step. Now where's the dinosaur?
Where would a dinosaur go to hide?
You ready, Terry? Remember what we talked about?
There you are.
Huh?
Stop being so stubborn. Go on, get out there. You can do it, Terry! Go get that Spinosaurus! Now!
You can teleport us to wherever the dinosaurs are, Reese?
I believe the dinosaur search function and the transport function work together. Now we just need to do a test run.
Is that dangerous?
It'll be fine. Probably. All of the technology is in here, so just push the button and you'll be transported to Egypt.
You can't go without me. I'm a paleontologist. A dinosaur expert could come in handy out there.
Great, let's go.
Yes! Hey.
Wow, he's gone.
So it only works on Max and Chomp.
Note to myself, only those with a dinosaur and a stone can be transported.
I wanted to go!
Oh, that Tyrannosaurus is here too! Look, Chomp, a Spinosaurus card.
That's not yours! Mission accomplished.
But now it's time for some big fat revenge! Come on, Terry, get up!
Uh-oh. Ready, Chomp? Let's go! Dino Slash! Go, Triceratops! Now we've got him. Go for it, Chomp! Oh no! Get up! Come on, you can do it, Chomp! Oh yeah, I'll use electric charge.
Better watch out. That little twerp's using a move card again.
Remember what happened last time? He nearly beat us with that move.
Oh gee, I'm so upset. Not. I have a card too. Go!
Ursula, don't!
You can't do that in here!
can do it, Carnotaurus! Let's use our moves all at once to finish this up.
What? You mean you have a move card too?
Yeah. Cyclone!
Who's your mummy now?
My Terry may have lost, but he's my loser.
Look who it is, you guys! That old lady again!
What did you say? Listen here! You obviously need to learn the difference between old and experienced!
Oh, sorry, I guess I thought they meant the same thing.
Really? Well, there's a big difference! And you can be sure that I'll be back to explain it another time! But for now, the Alpha Gang must be on their way! Go! Where are we going?
The wrong way, that's where!
We're stuck in reverse!
They keep getting weirder.
Hey guys, wanna meet Ace? It's a perfect name for him because it means number one and he's my first dinosaur.
And this is Paris.
So what's Paris mean?
Well, she's a Parasaurolophus, but Paris is a much cuter name. Like it?
Cool! And this is Chomp. We're all gonna make a great team. Ah! I just remembered! I don't know how to get back home!
It's in the manual. We just have to operate the dino holder in reverse and we'll go back to where we came from. Can you believe this? We're really in Egypt. Wow.
Hey, I just thought of an awesome idea.
What do you mean you're staying an extra week?
Well, since none of us have ever been to Egypt before...
We might as well stay and do a little sightseeing.
See ya!
Hold on a minute.
Let them have fun.
I'm afraid they don't understand the urgency in the fact that there are dinosaur cards scattered all over the world, and it's become their responsibility to find them. For every card they find, another dinosaur is saved.
Well, just give them time. If only I had gone, I would have gotten to see my boyhood idol. Ah, King Tut. I used to wrap myself up in gauze.
Yes! I did it! It finally worked! My move card is completed! Where is everybody?
So is it done, Grandpa?
That's right, children. Pretty impressive, wouldn't you say? Now I just need to restore more and more move cards, and I'll build a dinosaur kingdom that is unstoppable! Hey! Aren't those three fools back from Egypt yet?
No, maybe they're having too much fun.
Don't desert us in the desert!
Lucky for us, it's a rental, huh?
Lucky for you, we put that camel on my card! Come back here!